Mamelodi Sundowns will be without midfielder Batusi Overs for their blockbuster Betway Premiership encounter against Orlando Pirates at FNB Stadium on Wednesday, 18 February, after the 29-year-old was ruled out through suspension. The absence of Overs comes at a time when the Brazilians are fine-tuning their squad for one of the most highly anticipated fixtures on the domestic calendar. Although he has featured sparingly this season, making just 11 appearances across all competitions, his combative presence in midfield has often provided balance and still when called upon. Overs' campaign has been disrupted by niggling injuries and fierce competition for places within Sundowns' star-studded squad. Since the club's CAF Champions League victory over Nigerian outfit Remo Stars in October 2025, opportunities in continental competition have been limited for former TS Galaxy enforcer. However, he did manage to get valuable minutes under his belt earlier this month, turning out in Sundowns' commanding Nedbank Cup last 32 victory over Gomora United, a performance that hinted at a player eager to reset himself in the pecking order. The Premier Soccer League confirmed on Monday that Overs, alongside Magesi FC midfielder Khomotso Mosadi, are the only two players suspended for the midweek round of league fixtures. With Sundowns chasing momentum in the title race, Overs' absence may not significantly alter the starting lineup, but it does reduce head coach Miguel Cardoso's midfield options ahead of a clash that could have significant implications in the Premiership standings. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.